Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I have a cute little Dior unboxing. These are actually my first Dior pieces ever, so yeah, I'm just really excited to finally unbox them here and start to use them. So because these are my first Dior items, I decided to go into the boutique to pick them up. I checked online and I knew that there was availability in store, so I was just super excited. So I wanted to specifically go in, I was actually hunting for two items in particular. I wanted the Mitzah in navy in the oblique print, and then I also wanted a ring. I don't remember the name, it'll be in the description, but it's just like that chain CD ring that everyone has. So yeah, I don't know which colorway. Actually, there it is. So this is actually what I went specifically for, one of the items. So it is the Mitzah in navy in this beautiful signature oblique print on one side. So we have that, and then they make these Mitzahs in different variations. The newest one it looks like this. So it has the print, and then it's just the tips are navy, and it's just so beautiful. And then the other side says Christian Dior, very kind of preppy pattern. Oops. So two Christian Dior prints on the back side. And I was getting this Mitzah as so that I can wear it as like a head tie or like a necktie situation. But then I found out that there was so many other ways that you can style the Mitzahs, and especially because there's two prints, it's super versatile. And yeah, I think I'll probably do a separate video showing the different ways you can style the Mitzahs. But yeah, I think, you know, just to start, I would probably wear it as like a head tie like that with the print, really cute. People also do this. Just ignore the tag, I'll cut it off. But you know, super cute like that. You can flip it so that it looks more like this, a little bit preppier. Yeah, how cute is that? Okay, so that's the first Mitzah that I got. Like, completely ruined my bun, but that's okay. And then I wanted to see if they had other Mitzahs, like other styles and patterns. And I found another pattern that I wanted. This one is the pink Toile de Jouy pattern. It's like pink and white, like very pale pink. And they have, like, you know, these are their two signature prints, the oblique and the Toile de Jouy. So they make the book totes and stuff in this print too. This one has Christian Dior at the bottom here, and on the other side is kind of the same pattern as the navy one. It says Christian Dior. Okay, so my camera is like losing memory and so I lost a couple of clips just now, but I decided to wear this Mitzah like this as a little necktie. And it kind of lost my clip of me unboxing my last item, which is the ring. So this is what the ring looks like. It is just a CD with chains, and I just wear it on my pointer finger like this. Cute. Got it in a size small. Yeah, but yeah. Thanks for watching my little unboxing of my first few pieces from Dior. Just so excited to have them. I just love the oblique print so much. But I really didn't think that I would like the Toile de Jouy print as much as I do, especially in this colorway. Anyway, I gotta go because my camera is losing memory and it's gonna cut off in about like any second now. Thanks for joining, thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Bye!